much for joining. I am Maya Youssef and I'm very excited to hop on here to share with you Create for Life, which is stage 5 of the Qanun success path. So this is naturally a very exciting stage, but I'll tell you why it is exciting, because I only see it as the beginning. But let's talk about what are the milestones that you are expected to hit when you get to stage 5. Basically, when you get to stage 5, you can play anything. You can play any piece of music regardless of technical complexity. And most importantly, you're starting to develop your unique voice, which is very important. So it's just the beginning of the journey. And one of the most beautiful things that you can do in this stage, which is also a milestone, is performing a taqsim. Taqsim is the highest form of Arabic music for a reason, because it requires dexterity, it requires musical storytelling, it requires nuance, it requires a full command over your instrument, and it requires full knowledge of the maqamat, which includes the rare building blocks, those rare modulations that sort of add like flashes of surprise and delight in your taqsim. So performing a compelling taqsim is definitely one of the milestones, and naturally also the rare building blocks. But so I mean, you should be able to perform a very basic taqsim, something like this. I was in the wrong key in the lower octave, but never mind. So you should be able to, and also, if you are in a situation like this, and also professional musicians, you know, do make mistakes on the stage, particularly with Qanun. You know, you can, a lever can slip by mistake, and you should be able to adapt and tweak that. So if you have any questions, do let me know. But again, this is a stage that is about the beginning. It's very, very exciting, and it's why I have decided to call it Create for Life. Because it's now that you are armed with all the tools that you need to really develop yourself musically. Oh my gosh, it's super exciting. And also there's one thing that I should add is also you just mastered variety. One of the things that I teach my students, and you must have heard me say that previously many times, but again, I must repeat it because it's super important, which is, you know, just playing one simple tune in a myriad of different ways. So you have a huge bank, a big bank of ornamentation techniques, and you have a good knowledge of how you can play one tune, whether by variety, whether by ornamentation. You know, you can use syncopation, you can use ornamentation. There's so many ways, but you have really adapted to all of these beautiful tools. And that is the beginning, my friends. So if you have any questions about stage 5, do post them here. I hope that you found the Qanun Success Path series helpful. I hope that you found it enlightening as to what it really takes to, you know, to master this journey. And again, it's a journey. It's a never-ending journey. I am in a never-ending discovery process. And I encourage you to adapt that mindset. So thank you for watching. I'm sending you lots of love and I'll see you soon. Bye.